welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most perfect and festive cookies to make this Christmas. It's my peppermint white chocolate chip cookies. They are so yummy and I cannot wait to share with you guys. So let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, add in half cup of brown sugar and half cup of white sugar and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Use a whisk to mix the sugars and the butter together. Once the sugar and butter is mixed well, add in half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg. Continue to whisk till everything is combined and the batter becomes light and creamy. Now use a sifter to sift 1 cup of flour into the batter. Use a spatula to fold in the sifted flour into the batter. Once your cookie dough comes together, add in 2/3 cup of white chocolate chips and 1/3 cup of candy canes that's crushed. Fold these into the dough. Once the dough is ready, cover and refrigerate for at least an hour before baking. This will give us a more intense cookie flavor. When it's time to bake, line and grease a baking sheet with parchment paper. Take about 1.5 tablespoons of cookie dough and place each on the baking sheet. Bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Mine baked in the oven for 14 minutes and they came out perfect. These cookies are as festive as they can get with the peppermint flavor. They are perfect for Christmas baking. If you enjoyed watching this Christmas cookie recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes. And I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas this year. And I'll see you all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!